Welcome to another episode on my RaspberryPi2 running Ubuntu Linux and the Robot operating system. Last time I was recovering from a big problem. The big problem was that I got errors which told me messages don't exist, while they clearly existed. Then, as by incident or accident, they started to work again after I removed some hidden file somewhere. And the question is now, does it still work or not? So, ROS core is running. I will start the publisher. That runs. Then the subscriber. It runs. Then does the public speaker 2 run? It runs. While well, this is still stepping back because I want two public speakers, one for data and one for data 2, but considering the circumstances this is okay, I think. So ROS message is there. Time to press the button and shine some light. Alright, this looks like working, although last time as well this LED showed quite some delay, and the blue probe is connected to this line. So question is, why does the line stay up? This is kind of remarkable, by the way. I press, so why doesn't it go up? Oh, that's remarkable. Yeah. Now it stays up and goes out. That is not the idea. Well, another mystery to solve. Anyway, this kind of works. So now it is time to find out how I can get public speaker 3 back to work. And that is this one. RaspberryPi. And let me see. Publisher 3 is up and running as far as I can see. It just needs to be here, alright. So, does this work? Will this work? For this to test, I need to cut this, the subscriber, save the code, and run again. So, it is saved. I opened another terminal for Public Speaker 3. So, let's first start the subscriber again. Press the button. Tuple index out of range. So tuple index out of range. And I think that was one of the reasons that I started Public Speaker 3, but let's see anyway. Cannot load message. Are your messages built? Right. Because this was the whole thing about, and where it all started with. Because I have, let's see, this is data 2, and here I have publisher 3. Yeah, and one of the downsides of this Raspberry Pi 2 is that with very demanding video feed, it's slow. But it's the only way I can get some interesting information around. So bear with me, I hope. A2 RaspberryPi, yeah. So if only I say, right, I comment this line out again. Save, start, go. Now I press the button and nothing else happens. Except that this green LED is still not functioning correctly. So let me also shine a light again. Because this result only should respond when a button is pressed and the light is shining. So still some figuring out to do, and not everything is as clear. For instance, one thing is that this RaspberryPi is supposed to be the package, not the message. which I'm okay with, no problem. And let's see, here pub2 is being published. See, and here this is the publisher, and here we see that RaspberryPi is correct and message is not correct. So here we actually should do exactly the same. But then, how to carry on with messages? Because right now, if I go to source code RaspberryPi message, the big question is, do I have to totally rename them? How do I use that message? In here I have it completely blocked out. Here as well for now. But I do not want that. I certainly do not want that. So how to proceed from here? And I have to be careful. I have another plan. This one and this one are both there. Looking here, message RaspberryPi and message RaspberryPi2 look very similar, so I renamed the second one to another message RaspberryPi. And that renaming I have done here as well. Now here it says IO message is built. So what I am going to do is first test if this is going to work. The sources have been saved. This is going to work. If not, I have to build it. Alright, I have to build. And that is catkin make no build, no install, just catkin make. That should be enough. But is it enough? No. No, because I have to do something else as well. Right here. And here. I have to do this and this as well, and here, because here it says, oh, it says here number 1, not even number 2. That's even worse. So apart from that, how can you do something like this? Catkin make, that should be enough. And this is the exact same thing that happened first time. So now if I just no, here, disable it, will this work or won't it? Now it says an invalid system. So I say catkin make, and this was also the problem the first time, before I accidentally solved the problem. So this is an extensive build. 3 messages, correct. Now the question is, does it run? Does it find? No, it does not. And once again, this one. So, oh, this is going to be nice, or not so nice anyway, actually. I remove this one because I think that is not even the culprit. I am once again going to run and build. Yep. Build. And run. I expect an error. Yes. So the other error was not in here. The other error was in, I have to be very precise on this. It was in develop. That was the location I'm looking for. In develop. So here, new tab, and I'm going to try to remove one thing that I think there is. So now I need in here to go to the development lib Python, this package is RaspberryPi message. Which lines are there? See, and last time see, this is August, and which one did I remove last time? That is a very good question. I think I removed the .py, init.py. What will happen if I remove it? Let's do it this way and see whatever happens. If I screw up, so be it. Alright. So run. Nope. Make. It also has another message. So let's see if whatever happens. No. Okay, so now we go here. And it has another message. This is old. So if what happens if I say clean? Not much. So there's still a big problem with message robot PI. If I change this and I just run it again, what happens? It just runs, which is very, very odd. If I say alright, if I say ROS message show robot PI, which messages are there? Oh, right. I need the other. Just have to recall which one that is. And I think a package. This message is in a package. See? They are all there. They are all there. So why doesn't this one, when recognize it? Once again. It simply does not make any sense at all. None at all. And without that, I'm afraid it doesn't make any sense to do it like here. So, but anyway, I'm going back to this tab and just run it, expecting exactly public speaker 3 invalid syntax. Why invalid syntax? Doesn't make any sense to me. Line 68. RaspberryPi. No, I know. Here is a bracket that is missing. So that may cause the invalid syntax. Yet again. Same thing. Mystery continues. So let's check on the exclusion of this one. Now they're talking about this one first. So run, yes. Invalid syntax. Why? Why is this an invalid syntax? Oh, right. I put the hash in the wrong place. So, once again, where does it go now? No module named. Alright, that is exactly the same problem. Not here, here. So now it should run. And there you go. It runs. So without building, when I disable this one in the publisher, I don't build, I just run. There you go. This one runs, this one runs. I press the button, so GPIO 11 becomes 1. Yeah, the other one is out of range with a tuple. So is anything else happening? Not at the moment. Let me go here, straight at the end of the code. And of course I have to first stop the subscriber. Then remove, well, comment out this one. There we go again. Alright. Then press the button. And GPIO 7 becomes 1, which is alright in itself. But the small green LED here does not blink. Well, yeah, now it runs. Alright, so what happens now? Oh, come on, something should happen. Right, what about this, and what about here? No, that's all alright. So, pressing the button again, shining a light, waiting for the red LED to flash, and it is not happening. Alright, well, it's not alright at all. Why is this contradicting this? And for that matter, this, and equally for that matter, this. What am I missing? I don't know. But I will find out. 3 messages, One works, the rest it doesn't. And even the LEDs refuse to work normally. So far, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please follow me, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Give it a thumbs up, like it. Please donate to keep the videos coming your way. More information on my website. And this is going to be continued in whatever way. Bye bye.